Hey folks, it's Cade Courtley with 4 Patriots. Now, as a former Navy SEAL platoon commander and author of the SEAL Survival Guide, I've spent my fair share of time in the wilderness in places all over the globe. And today I want to share a few tips for cooking in the outdoors. Because even if I'm off-grid, I still want a good feeling meal. One that tastes great, sustains my energy, and of course is safe. Now be sure to hit the subscribe button below to get more videos just like this one, and be sure to like and share this video, and leave me a comment too. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's get to it because I'm hungry. Now, whether you're in a survival situation or just enjoying some time camping, food and water are obviously essentials. But when it comes to water, you're left with a couple of choices. The first is easy, you could bring it with you. Easy to find, and you know it's safe. But lugging bottles of water with you can be pretty heavy and take up a ton of room. So that's why I recommend the 4 Patriots Off-Grid Filtration Kit. It can provide fresh, safe drinking water several key ways without taking up your whole bag. Now first, you can drink straight through the included straw, right from a stream or pond, or from a cup or container you filled. It's pretty handy when you're thirsty, and remember, you can only go a few days without water. So a filter like this is a must in any pack or go bag, even if it's only your backup plan. It also comes with this multi-use bag. Fill it with water and attach the straw, hang it up, and gravity does all the work. Just like that, you have a ready-to-go supply of filtered water and can also use the bag to tote water as a dry bag or even as a washing machine in the woods. It's pretty nice. But we're here to cook, and today I'm going to show you how to do it without even building a fire. Using the next tool I have in my bag here, the sun kettle. The sun kettle looks a little like a thermos, but it works unlike any thermos you've ever seen. Because flip open these attached mirrors and the sun kettle harnesses the power of the sunlight to heat water to a boil. For another way to purify your water, of course, but also a great way to heat up one of these survival meals. Simply fill the sun kettle, position it in the sunlight, and let the free power of the sun do the work. I'm going to set this up and let it start doing its magic while I get the rest of my campsite ready. Okay, it's been about 30 to 45 minutes. As you can see, this water is piping hot. Now, if you have one of these 4 Patriot Quick Cook Survival Meals with you, mealtime is a snap. Just combine your food with this hot water. Give it a stir and wait a couple minutes for it to set up. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Let's give it a taste. That's good. This is a filling meal with no fire, no fuel, no flame, no fuss. You can use your sun kettle to make coffee, cook meals, or even as a way to freshen up out in the woods. I mean, it's nice to know that even without gathering wood, you can have a hot meal nearly anywhere. Okay folks, that's about all the time I've got for you today. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Now, if you're going to venture out, don't forget to pack the right tools to keep you safe, protected, and of course, full and happy too. Be a survivor, not a statistic.